chocolate lovers, any time is a good time. Especially holiday time. Easter, Christmas, and don't be caught dead without some on Valentine's Day. If it's not a Hershey or Mars product, odds are you're enjoying something made of the R.M. Palmer Company of Reading, Pennsylvania. The #1 producer of holiday chocolate treats for over half a century. Take Easter. Each year, the R.M. Palmer Company makes about 200 million chocolate Easter bunnies in all shapes and sizes.
Both the chocolate Easter bunny and the chocolate egg go back to Germany in the 1700s. The bunny and the egg symbolize fertility, and spring, as we know, is the rebirth of nature and everything that goes with it. So the Germans associated these two icons with Easter.
To capitalize on the craze, R.M. Palmer Sr. devised a way to make hollow chocolate Easter bunnies with an unusual ingredient: personality.
Our company was started by my father, Richard Palmer Sr., in 1948. At that time, all bunnies were more or less traditional. They looked like this. We made them look like this, which is more of a cartoon version. This was our first product in 1948, and actually it's still in the line today. This bunny and I are exactly the same age. As a matter of fact, we have exactly the same amount of hair.
The first Palmer bunnies were molded on a machine designed by the company founder himself. And it's still going strong.
We're looking at line 1 here at the R.M. Palmer Company. We put a polycarbonate mold into the line. We heat it to about 90 to 95 degrees to ensure that it has the proper release point. The chocolate's deposited around 84 to 85 degrees, depending on the product. We also have to ensure that we have the right viscosity so we get the proper wall thickness.
The amount of chocolate deposited is just enough to coat the walls. The molds rotate a total of 60 times per bunny cycle to ensure the chocolate is distributed evenly throughout the cavity, leaving a perfect hollow center. These long-eared big boys are ready to receive their personas. And if you've ever wondered,
all of our hollow chocolate bunnies have eyes. The eyes could be yellow, they could be white, they could be blue, they could be pink. Most of them, the traditional ones, are made out of an icing material, which is basically water, sugar, and egg albumin.
A contemporary cousin of line 1, line 10, produces small bunnies by the Army. It looks pretty simple. Mold goes under depositor. Depositor pours chocolate into mold. Not quite. On line 10, it's what you don't see that makes these bunnies so popular.
This line actually has the capability of producing almost 80,000 pounds a day. Today alone, we will make almost 4 million bunnies coming off of this line, and they're all filled with peanut butter.
A pipe carrying chocolate and a pipe carrying peanut butter meet at the depositor, where a central pipe ends in a nozzle inside a nozzle. The chocolate ejects a hair of a second before the peanut butter and continues for a fraction of a second thereafter. This allows the chocolate to fully encapsulate the peanut butter in the center.
First thing you got to ensure is that the material has the same density and the same viscosity characteristics so that they have the correct flow properties. After that, it's strictly mathematics with piston diameter as well as the channeling inside the nozzle plate. Those techniques will ensure a perfect peanut butter center, or as we call a one-shot center, in each and every little bunny.
Whether you enjoy them hollow or filled, everyone knows which part to chomp first. In fact, 76% of us go straight for the ears. The experts at Palmer think they know why.
The reason is probably that in the process of making a hollow bunny, more chocolate goes to the ears than goes to the rest of the bunny. So real chocolate lovers would therefore gravitate to the ears, just like this. Great.
So be it bunny or truffle, milk or dark, solid or liquid, chocolate producers continue to crank out the good stuff. Maybe that's because manufacturers, like most everyone else, love their chocolate too.
And a nice flavor.
It's the kind of flavor that you put a piece of chocolate in your mouth and you just go, mmm.